Hi guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to show you how to install an SSD into your MacBook Pro Mid 2012 model. Okay, so what you need is an SSD. I bought this crucial SSD from Amazon and it's 480 gigabytes. Okay, BX500, which I am going to install in this computer. Okay, for that we need a way where we can install this SSD into a bracket which will directly connect to the Mac OS. Okay, so for that you need a jacket like this. Okay, you see it is very cheap, around 500 bucks in India, and you can just insert your SSD. You can just insert your SSD here, so it will just go like this. It fit into this, you see. Now you can add a cover over it. So okay, now let's connect this to our computer. So I have a cable which connects this SSD directly to the computer, okay, for installing Mac. Okay, so this is the wire which I have attached to it. Okay, USB type 2 or 3.2, I don't know, but let's connect it. Okay, so you see I connected it. So it will pop up a message where a disk is attached, okay, which was not readable by computer. So we need to click on initialize. Okay, now here you can see this generic external media and tap on erase. Once you click it, you can give a name. I will call it Mac SSD. Okay, format needs to be Mac OS Extended Journal. Okay, I forgot to tell you that you have to go to disk utility. Okay, so here you can type in the name of the external disk. Okay, select guild partition map and click on erase. Now it will erase and make it viable for the Mac OS. Okay, so let's wait for this to be done. So erase process is complete. We can click on done and there we go. Now you see there is a internal SSD here. Okay, and then here is the external SSD. Okay, just click on here, generic external media. You can now install it here. Okay, okay, once you erase the disk and restore the data to the new SSD, after restoring you will see this. Okay, so let's go back once again. Take an SSD, put it in the jacket. Okay, then erase the disk and restore from the main machine. That's it. Next we will see how to install this SSD in the Mac hardware. Okay, now that you have installed the OS in the new SSD, now you can start replacing the HDD with the new SSD. So let's go ahead and open the laptop. Okay, now let's go ahead and open the lid. You see, everything is set pretty well over here. Okay, now let's disconnect the SSD and replace it with the new one. Okay, now let's connect this SSD which we recently formatted, and we'll plug it into this one. Okay, take this sheet of paper and let's put it on the SSD so that we can easily remove it. And see, this fits perfectly. Now let's put on the screws again. Okay, we need to install two screws which were over here into this so that it sits perfectly in the laptop. Take this T6 screwdriver, okay, and unscrew this screw from here, because we are going to need it. Put those screws in these slots. Once you put this screw over here, you can now connect the SSD to the SATA cable, and I think this should fit it here perfectly. Yes, it fits. Now let's put on the other screws. I am using this P80 screwdriver, which is used everywhere on the panel, inside. Okay, and there is other one T6 to open that two screws which sits in the laptop. Let me screw this. Okay, this is perfectly. This sits perfectly. Now let's screw these two. Put on these screws. This one also. Okay, now let's add the panel. Let's close the panel, and as you see, P80 and T6, these two using this screwdriver. Okay, Now let's try to start this computer. Hopefully this should load because we installed it correctly. It would take some time because this is first time it's loading, and as you see, this is very fast. The boot time before and after we replaced it with SSD is very fast. And this is loaded. See? Wow, this is super fast now. Thank you for watching my video. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Okay, now what about the internal hard drive which we added? You can get a jacket like this with cover like this. You see, this sits perfectly over here. Just add a jacket on this, and this is your external SSD. If you connect it now to the laptop, you see over here, you see the other MacBook data. This is our internal, this is our external, and you can put your data over here. Thank you for watching my video. Please give a like if you like the video and be in touch.